Hello everyone, welcome back to AliExpress deals. Today, I found a ready-to-fly remote control helicopter designed for hobby enthusiasts. This is the C032 UH-1 RC Helicopter, modeled after the iconic Bell UH-1 Iroquois. This RTF, or ready-to-fly, helicopter comes pre-assembled and typically includes the transmitter, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate hobby users. It features a brushless motor system, which is generally known for improved efficiency, durability, and smoother power delivery compared to brushed motors. The integrated 6-axis gyroscope helps enhance flight stability and control during hovering and directional movement. One of its notable features is optical flow positioning. This technology assists with maintaining stable positioning by detecting ground movement patterns, helping improve hover precision indoors or in low-wind conditions. The model also supports a one-click 3D flip function, allowing users to perform aerial stunt rotations with a single command, depending on flight mode and skill level. Before purchasing, confirm battery capacity, flight time, control range, charging duration, and spare parts availability in the product listing. Visit the link in the description to view complete product details, full specifications, and the latest pricing. Use my link to access free shipping or special discounts across various categories on AliExpress while supporting the channel. Benefit from fast delivery options, free shipping availability, easy returns, secure payment methods, refund protection, and strong privacy and security policies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow AliExpress deals for more smart finds.